I'm in Old Quebec for a very whistle-stop tour. I prioritise my time in Quebec with a night in the Hotel de Glace, or the Ice Hotel, which I absolutely loved. So if you haven't seen that video already, then definitely check that one out. But like I say, I have one day to explore Quebec, so I have a few ideas of where I'm going to go. Behind me is my starting point, which is Notre Dame Basilica. As is tradition for me, I always start with a place called Notre Dame, as is also tradition. They always seem to have renovations going on at the same time. So, hope you enjoy this. I've only been here 5 minutes and I've already gone off-piste. Have a look at this view. Look at this. So this is the Place d'Armes. This is Château Frontenac. It's kind of like the big main event in the city. It's a Fairmont hotel now, I think. I'm staying just up that road there, so perfectly central. It's 11 o'clock on a Sunday morning. I think I've just hit check-out time for the Hotel Frontenac. Chateau, I should say, Frontenac. But we're going to have a look around. It is beautiful in here. Let's have a look around and see what we can find while trying to avoid the people. If I'm honest with you, as far as I'm concerned, a hotel is a hotel. It's a beautiful one and it's a real landmark in the city. But inside it's a hotel and there's clearly a conference going on. As wasn't allowed to go up any of the steps. But that said, it is beautiful. But check this out. This is the view, these are the views. I'm going to go and see more of the river Saint Laurent, which is frozen, and I'm also going to get the Funicular, which sounds right up my street, the Funicular, which will take us down to the Old Port, I think. So there's a tradition here for a sweet treat. It's called maple taffy. It's basically, as I understand it, maple syrup poured onto ice and then rolled up to be on like a lolly stick. So the guy behind me is about to make a fresh batch. So hopefully we'll get a chance to see it. It's just a big jug in the microwave. So we'll see how that goes. cool to see. I've just had my breakfast, so I'm not going to have any quite yet, but I may well be back for some a little bit later. I think it's something that's traditional to Quebec, so I'm not going to find it anywhere else, and it's particularly, I think, at this time of year as well. Well, because it's icy, I guess. Anyway, let's go have a look at the river. There's the Funicular, which I'm guessing takes you down here. I'm working on the principle that on a day like today that's beautiful and the perfect day to be walking around Quebec, why would I get the funicular down? Why not get it up? So I'm walking down the steps. River in the background. And here we are in the pretty streets of Petit Champlain. Petit Champlain.
Yeah, we take a right.
We'll see. Something like that anyway. So I think this is penance for not taking the funicular when I had chance. The good news is I've been looking for the Plains of Abraham, which is a big park in the centre of Quebec. And although I have managed to shake off all the tourists, which is good news because I love being on my own in places, and there's quite a lot of people here. I failed to notice on Google Maps the fact that I now turn right, and bear in mind Plains of Abraham is up here. I now turn right on the Cap Blanc stairs, or Cap Blanc, which is the longest Cap Blanc, which is the longest historic staircase in Quebec. So, let's go climb some stairs. And here we go. Still plenty more to go. And this is what happens when you think got one more flight to go. They're throwing a curveball. not relying on that being the end now. I'm not there yet, but there are great views from the river, of the river rather. Dare I say nearly there. Certainly a good way to warm up. Let's see. And of course, as always, just doing the staircase wasn't enough. So I think there's a really good view up here. So is it worth it? Oh, beautiful. I think it was definitely worth it for these views and feeling absolutely lucky and blessed to have this beautiful sunshine. The sun seems to come out every time I say I'm going to a viewpoint, so I'm certainly not complaining about that. Now the official viewpoint. So here we are back where I started. This I know now is the Governor's Promenade. And there's Chateau there. And I wondered what the queue was for. There was a big queue of people standing along a fence when I first arrived. And I've just worked it out. It's for a massive toboggan. So let's pop and have a look. It certainly sounds like it's really good fun. And there's amazing views of the river too. And look, that boat has just come all the way from over there. You see its tracks in the ice. Wow. So I think that ends my whistle-stop tour of Quebec. I've only had a day. I haven't even finished the day, but I'm exhausted. I can check into my hotel almost. I didn't sleep brilliantly last night because I was staying in the Hotel de Glace, the ice hotel. And so I think I'm going to call it quits. I always knew it was going to be a challenge to see much more of Quebec than the old part, but hopefully I've given you a little taster of what this beautiful city is all about. Really enjoyed it out here in the bright sunshine and the snow. I hope you have too. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up or press the red button to subscribe or the bell to get a notification every Friday when I post a new video on Suit, Where, Why, What. Thanks for joining me. And it looks like the funicular is off too.